Imagine waking up, groggy-eyed, reaching for your phone, and as you scroll through your notifications you spot something strange. Twitter's iconic bluebird has vanished from the app, replaced overnight by a pixelated Shiba Inu dog, the face of a meme that's become legendary in the world of internet culture. For most people it was just a quirky prank, another oddball moment in the ever-evolving world of social media. But in the fast-paced universe of crypto, it was a spark that set off a frenzy, igniting speculation and excitement across the globe. Suddenly, Dogecoin and its rival, Shiba Inu, SHIB, were thrust into the spotlight, their logos lighting up trading screens everywhere. Billions of dollars moved in a matter of hours as traders scrambled to react. Was this a subtle endorsement from Twitter's owner, a clever joke, or a signal of something bigger? Crypto exchanges saw trading volumes explode, with buy and sell orders flooding in at a dizzying pace. Social media was instantly flooded with memes, wild theories, and hot takes as everyone tried to make sense of the chaos. For holders of these coins, it felt like validation, a moment when their favorite meme tokens were finally getting the attention they craved. For outsiders though, it was a bewildering spectacle, a reminder of how unpredictable and surreal the crypto world can be. This wasn't about a new product launch or a company earnings report, it was just a dog picture, and yet the market reacted as if it were breaking news of global importance. The event made it clear. Pop culture and finance are now deeply intertwined, especially in the world of crypto, where memes can move markets as much as news. In traditional finance, stocks move on fundamentals, earnings, forecasts, and economic data. But in the world of meme coins, a single tweet or a logo swap can send prices soaring or crashing in minutes. The line between what's a joke and what's a serious asset is blurrier than ever, leaving investors and observers alike scratching their heads. To truly understand this surge, we need to look beyond the charts and numbers, and dive into the culture, where a meme can move billions, and the next big market event might just be a joke away. How does a logo change send a token's price soaring? It might sound unbelievable, but in the world of crypto, even the smallest visual tweak can trigger massive waves of excitement and speculation. It's all about association and hype. When a logo changes, it's not just a new image. It's a signal, a spark that can ignite the imaginations of millions of investors and fans. Imagine a celebrity suddenly wearing a small brand's t-shirt. Instantly, everyone wants it. The brand's value skyrockets, not because the shirt changed, but because of who's wearing it and where. Here, Elon Musk is the celebrity, Twitter is the stage, and the Shiba Inu is the t-shirt. When Musk makes a move, the world pays attention, and the crypto market reacts in real time. The logo swap became a global ad for meme coins. Suddenly, everyone from casual traders to major investors was talking about it, and the news spread like wildfire. Dogecoin's price jumped, but SHIB, the Dogecoin killer, also surged as traders chased the next big thing. The excitement wasn't just about one coin, it was about the whole meme coin ecosystem. This is classic FOMO, fear of missing out. As prices rise, more people pile in, fueling a feedback loop that can send prices even higher in a matter of minutes. The effect wasn't limited to one coin. Speculation spread across all dog-themed tokens. Traders scrambled to find the next meme coin that might explode in value. It's like when one electric car company's stock jumps, and suddenly all related stocks rise too. The market moves on emotion and connections, not just fundamentals. The Twitter logo change signaled that meme culture still had power, especially with Musk's playful backing. It was a reminder that in crypto, culture and community can move markets. The narrative was simple. Dogecoin is on Twitter, so dog coins must be valuable. This kind of story spreads fast, and people want to be part of it. People weren't buying SHIB for its tech, they were chasing momentum. The rush was about being in the right place at the right time, not about long-term value. The surge was pure hype, amplified by social media and the fear of missing out. Online communities and influencers fanned the flames, making the movement feel unstoppable. In crypto, perception can be more powerful than reality. Sometimes, all it takes is a logo change to set off a chain reaction that no one saw coming. What did the SHIB surge look like in numbers? Let's break down the story behind the headlines and see how this meme coin captured the world's attention almost overnight. Before the logo swap, SHIB was quiet. The price barely moved and trading activity was low, with most investors simply watching from the sidelines. Then, in a matter of hours, it spiked over 30% in 24 hours. Billions were suddenly added in market cap. catching even seasoned traders off guard. Trading volume exploded, showing it wasn't just a few big players, everyone wanted in. Social media buzz and FOMO drove a frenzy of buying and selling. This move highlighted how meme coins react to news and sentiment, not fundamentals. The market was driven by excitement, speculation, and viral stories. Unlike Bitcoin, which moves on economic trends, SHIB's value is tied to its community and cultural buzz. Its price is more about hype than hard data. The Twitter event was the perfect storm. Unexpected, high-profile, and meme-centric. It created a wave of attention that spread far beyond crypto circles. The price action was pure emotion, not a response to new tech or utility. It was a reaction to hype, humor, and the power of online communities. Analysts took note. Narrative can drive prices more than any white paper. The story behind a coin can be just as important as its technology. But with rapid gains come rapid risks. The same hype that pumps a coin can crash it. Volatility is the name of the game in meme coin investing. Understanding why a price moves is crucial. Is it real progress, or just a viral moment? Investors need to look beyond the headlines and ask tough questions. In SHIB's case, it was a temporary, unpredictable event. The surge faded almost as quickly as it began, leaving many wondering what would come next. The lesson: meme coins are volatile, and stories move markets. In the world of crypto, narrative and community can be just as powerful as technology itself. After a surge like SHIB's, talk of alt season heats up. In crypto, Bitcoin is the main event, but sometimes investors chase bigger gains in altcoins. And alt season is when many non-Bitcoin coins rally, often outpacing Bitcoin itself. The SHIB pump made people wonder, is this the start of a new wave? Big meme coin moves attract new risk-hungry investors looking for the next breakout. This can create a ripple effect, lifting many altcoins as traders hunt for quick profits. But a true alt season is broad and sustained, not just one coin or one niche. The SHIB event was a thunderclap, attention-grabbing, but not proof of a full market shift. Whether it signals a lasting crypto spring or just a passing storm is still up for debate. For now, it's a reminder of how quickly sentiment can shift in crypto. Beyond the memes, traders turn to SHIB's price chart for clues. Technical analysis is like a weather forecast. Past patterns hint at possible futures. After the surge, SHIB hit a resistance level, a price ceiling where sellers took profits. Bulls pushed up, bears sold off, and the price stalled at this key point. Chart patterns like bull flags formed, suggesting a pause before another possible move up. These patterns show buyers are still interested, even as sellers cash out. But technical analysis isn't foolproof. A single tweet can break any pattern. In SHIB's case, the chart was driven by the ongoing Twitter narrative. If the logo changed back, no chart could save the price. Technicals help frame the action, but the real driver was the story on social media. In meme coins, sentiment trumps statistics. While the Twitter drama grabbed headlines, SHIB's team was building for the future. Their big project, the SHIB Metaverse, a virtual world where users can interact, play, and own digital land using SHIB tokens. The goal is to give SHIB real utility, not just meme value. In the Metaverse, could be used for buying land, customizing avatars, or trading items. This creates demand beyond speculation. Another key token burning. By removing tokens from circulation, SHIB becomes scarcer, potentially boosting value. The community and project leaders regularly burn tokens, sometimes using revenue from the metaverse. Each burn event excites holders, reinforcing the idea of growing scarcity. While a single burn's impact is small, over time it could matter. Together, the metaverse and burning aim to give SHIB lasting value. It's a strategy to move from viral meme to sustainable ecosystem. The question: can SHIB's utility outlast the hype? Zooming out, what does the SHIB surge teach us? It's a case study in how social media and sentiment can move markets as much as fundamentals. A single logo change triggered billions in trading, proof of crypto's unique dynamics. Critics say it's all hype, supporters see the power of community. The debate over what gives crypto value, tech or narrative, will continue. For investors, the lesson is clear: meme coins offer big rewards and big risks. FOMO can drive prices up or down overnight. Understanding the story behind a move is essential. Was it real progress or just a viral moment? As SHIB builds its metaverse and burns tokens, its future will test if it can become more than a meme. For ongoing clarity, stay tuned to sources like Shiba Insights.